Fundamental duties. The Constitution, 42nd Amendment Act 1976 introduced a code of 10 fundamental duties for citizens with the Constitution. 86th Amendment Act 2002. This code has become of 11 duties. The fundamental duties are indeed to serve as a constant reminder to every citizen, but while the Constitution has specifically conferred on them certain fundamental rights, it also requires the citizens to observe certain basic norms of democratic conduct and democratic behaviors. Judicial review. Judicial review is the power of courts to pronounce upon the constitutionality of legislative acts which fall within their normal jurisdiction, to enforce, and the power to refuse to enforce such as they find to be unconstitutional and hence void. Judicial review, said Khanna J. in the fundamental rights case, has thus become an integral part of our constitutional systems, and a power has been vested in the High Courts and the Supreme Court to decide about the constitutional validity of the provisions of statutes. If the provisions of the statutes are found to be violative of any of the articles of the Constitution, which is the touchstone for the validity of all laws, the Supreme Court and the High Courts are empowered to strike down the said provisions. The power corrupts a man, and absolute power corrupts absolutely, which ultimately leads to tyranny, anarchy, and cause has been sufficiently established in course of evolution of human history, and all round attempts have been made to erect institutional limitation of its exercise. When Montesquieu gave his doctrine of separation of powers, he was obviously moved by his desire to put a curb on absolute and uncontrollable power in any one organ of the government. A legislature can executive and a judicial power comprehend the whole of what is meant and understood by government. It is by balancing each of these two powers against the other two that the efforts in human nature towards tyranny can alone be checked and restrained, and any freedom preserved in the Constitution. Judicial review is thus the interposition of judicial restraint on the legislative as well as the executive organs of the government. The concept has the origin in the theory of limited government and in the theory of two laws, an ordinary and supreme, the Constitution.